So this is how you can unhide apps on the iPhone. Let's get into it. So you want to make sure you swipe all the way to the right until you get to the app library. And there are plenty of folders, but entirely at the bottom, we have the hidden folder. So you can tap on this, scan your face to authenticate, right, to get inside of that folder. And the apps which are currently hidden will appear. So I want you to hold down on that app and I tap on Do Not Require Face ID. So Require Face ID is a feature which can lock the app, but it can also just lock and hide it away. So if this is obviously what has happened, just don't require Face ID. You'll have to then again scan your face very quickly to ensure it is really you. And once you are done with this, the app will then be moved away from the hidden folder right here and it will appear where it belongs. So it might be a utility or whatever else, but it will be part of your regular apps right here and no longer the hidden section. So this is most definitely how it works. I mean, it's pretty simple what I'm trying to say, but you need to know the right steps. So if you want to stay up to date with the latest tips for your iPhone and stuff like that, which I definitely think you would find useful, make sure you subscribe to this channel and you'll never miss anything important.